How to draw a four-leaf clover. To start off drawing our four-leaf clover, we're going to draw a plus sign in the middle of the page. Then we're going to draw a heart-like shape starting at the top of the plus sign and going to the right side of the plus sign. Next, we're going to draw 3 more heart-like shapes. Great job, we're almost done. Now we're just going to add some detail to the petals. And lastly, we're going to draw the stem. This is how to draw a four-leaf clover. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color your drawing in with us.